Let's talk about the hot topic of Facebook advertising. It's something that's kind of been on everyone's mind. It's super popular. It's something that probably most of you have tried out, whether you've tried it on your own or whether you've tried it by hiring a marketing company or a social media advertising agency. Now, does it work? Does it not work? What's the deal? Facebook advertising and Instagram, I'm going to kind of lump them into one because it's the same platform. Facebook owns Instagram and all that. It's still a huge opportunity. You may have heard guys like Grant Cardone and Gary Vee talking about how everyone's attention is right here in the palm of their hands in their phones these days. And that's absolutely true. There's never been a better time or more effective way, more cost-effective and direct way to get your message, to get your brand, to get your offers in front of people that need to see them. Whether they're homeowners, owners of commercial buildings and warehouses, executives, decision makers, future employees, this is the best way to get your company in front of people. And Facebook has been getting a little bit more expensive because the inventory is getting full, and so the supply is full, demand is still there, and so the prices are going up. But it's still ridiculously inexpensive compared to some other forms of advertising like TV and radio, billboards, like Google AdWords works, but it's much more expensive. So it's still a huge opportunity. But the number one reason why people strike out with doing their Facebook marketing is because of demand. So on Google, when someone's searching for a roofing contractor in Atlanta, say roofing contractor in Atlanta, they have a demand. They have intent. They want to find a roofing company. They have an issue with their roof, or they want to just get it looked at, or they think it's old, but they're actively looking for a roofing company. When someone's scrolling through their feed on Facebook, they're not looking for a roofing company. So when you put out an ad that says, hey, we're ABC Roofing, we're a great roofing company, we have 5-star reviews, contact us for a free estimate. Two things occur there. The first is that people are not looking for a roofing company on Facebook. And the second thing is they've never heard of your company before. So you can see why there's a huge disconnect and why a lot of those ads, most of them really, will fall flat on their face. Sure, you might get lucky here and there and get a couple leads in the door here and there, and maybe even a customer or two. But that strategy is gonna burn out really quickly and it's not gonna work. What works on Facebook with Facebook marketing, and you might have heard the term like marketing funnels, which is kind of a fancy word for just what real marketing is, by building a brand and by getting your messaging and your offers and your company in front of your market, to build a bond with your market, to get your market, your local area to know you, so that when you do put out offers, or when people are ready for a roofing company, ready to contact you, then they can easily contact you because you're top of mind, you're kind of all over the place, you're omnipresent. So you put out a lot of educational content. We call it like consumer awareness content. Educate, be helpful to your market, whether it's homeowners or business owners, how to help them do the research, how to help them make decisions, how to help them identify if their roof might be old, or if their roof might be damaged, or if they have leaks, or different issues that can occur if they don't take care of their roofing system, and those sorts of things. So the more valuable content you put out, video is awesome for sure, on different platforms, Facebook and Instagram and Google and email and text message, like hitting them from all directions and becoming known as that go-to roofing company in your area. And then when you put out offers, you've already built a solid foundation of trust in your local market. So when you put out offers, they're much more likely to gain traction than if you just put out a cold offer to people who have never heard of your business. And on top of that, you can do, with Facebook and Instagram, you can retarget. So that means you can, by using the Facebook pixel, you can track everyone who's interacted with your content, who's been to your website, who's liked your page. And then when you put out those offers, maybe a seasonal offer, maybe a storm-related offer, or like a new service that you're offering, when you put out those offers, you can put those out to a warm audience of people that already know your brand, because Facebook knows that they've interacted with your content or your page or your website before. So that becomes really powerful, and that's like that funnel part. You capture people up here by putting out your brand awareness, and then you funnel people down by hitting them with different ads to the point when they're ready to make a decision and contact you. So that's how Facebook works. That's when it's really effective. It's still an amazing way to build your business, and not only to market for new customers, for new projects, but it's a great platform for finding new team members, new employees for your business. You can put out ads. You can put out a video ad on your iPhone today that talks about the opportunities available at your company for people to join your company and to build their careers there. And you can attract top quality talent to help grow your roofing company, which I know is a big pain point for a lot of companies out there. So I hope those strategies, that insight helps you as you're thinking about Facebook, or maybe you've tried it, you want to try it again, or maybe you're so scared about it because you've had bad experiences, you don't want to try it anymore. But that's really how it works. Happy to answer any questions, reach out if you do have any, and happy to point you in the right direction.